Vitamin K2 is often called the vitamin that sends calcium into your bones and keeps it out of your arteries. Some people claim that K2-rich foods, or MK7 supplements, can prevent osteoporosis and heart disease. But is this proven? In this video, we will clarify the truth about vitamin K2. We will separate real science from supplement hype. The physiology is real, but disease prevention is still uncertain. Vitamin K2 actually refers to a group of compounds. The two best known are called MK4 and MK7. MK4 comes from some foods, but our body can also make it. MK7 comes mainly from fermented foods or supplements. Because MK7 stays in the blood much longer, it remains available to the body. So why does vitamin K2 matter? Because one of its most important roles is helping the body regulate how calcium is used. Calcium is essential for strong bones. But we do not want too much calcium accumulating inside blood vessel walls. Vitamin K2 helps by activating proteins that regulate calcium, but K2 does not physically move calcium from arteries into the bones. Inside bone, special cells called osteoblasts build new bone tissue. These cells produce a protein called osteocalcin. Vitamin K2 activates osteocalcin through a process called carboxylation. Once activated, osteocalcin can bind calcium. It attaches it to hydroxyapatite, which is the important mineral scaffold that gives bone its strength and hardness. Vitamin K2 does not build bone by itself. It activates a protein involved in bone mineralization. This mechanism is well established, but a well-understood biological mechanism does not automatically prove that a supplement prevents disease. Studies show that MK7 supplements improve the activation of vitamin K-dependent proteins, including osteocalcin. But better osteocalcin activation does not automatically mean stronger bones or fewer fractures. Clinical results are mixed. MK7 has not been proven to reliably prevent osteoporosis or fractures in the general population. Now let us look at the claim that vitamin K2 can prevent heart disease. Cells inside blood vessel walls produce another important protein. It is called matrix GLA protein, or MGP. Vitamin K activates MGP. Activated MGP helps inhibit the formation and growth of calcium phosphate crystals. This makes MGP part of the body's natural defense against vascular calcification, which causes vascular hardening. But K2 does not pull existing calcium deposits out of an artery. It activates a protein that helps control whether calcium crystals form and grow. An important clue came from the Rotterdam Study. Researchers followed more than 4,800 adults. They found those who consumed more K2 from food had less aortic calcification. They also had a lower risk of coronary heart disease. This result was encouraging. But the Rotterdam study was observational. They observed what people ate. They did not randomly give people vitamin K2. So the study found an association. It did not prove that vitamin K2 caused the lower cardiovascular risk. The study examined vitamin K2 from food. It did not test MK7 supplement capsules. We cannot assume they produce the same result. Supplements reduce inactive osteocalcin and MGP in the blood. This indicates that more proteins have undergone activation. However, all of these changes were originally observed in laboratory settings. It does not automatically mean fewer heart attacks. Results can vary according to age, health condition, and dose. A person's existing vitamin K status may also matter. So, is vitamin K2 real or hype? Its physiology is real. It helps activate proteins that regulate calcium. But claims that it reliably prevents disease go beyond current evidence. And most importantly, vitamin K2 does not remove calcium already deposited in artery walls and move it into your bones. A varied and balanced diet remains the best foundation. Real food provides vitamin K together with many other nutrients. Healthy bones and blood vessels also depend on physical activity. A supplement cannot replace a healthy lifestyle, and more of a nutrient is not always better. Follow for more nutrition truths.